Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to allow camera access on Snapchat, and now let's dive right in. Now to allow camera access on Snapchat, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account. And if this kind of pop-up appears where it says to use Snapchat, please allow access to a camera. Tap on the guys turn on button over here on the pink, and this kind of pop-up will appear where you will be required to choose the permission for the camera on Snapchat. Either you want it to camera to be accessed from Snapchat while using the app only this time, or don't allow for normally. Tap on while using the app and you will be able to access the camera on Snapchat. I've just covered my camera with my hand, so guys it's dark over here. One way is from here, and another, guys, if it's still not working, go to the settings of your phone, guys, and from over here navigate to apps, and over here tap on app management, search for Snapchat over here, guys, and on this interface you can see the permissions option available for us. Just below the manage notifications, tap on permissions, and over here, guys, if the camera access was denied, it would be on the not allowed section. Since it's on allowed section, the Snapchat has the camera access, so let's tap on camera access. And if the option that says allow only while using the app, there is a circle and dot on it, if it was on don't allow, then the Snapchat would not have the camera access. So tap on allow while using the app. By this way, guys, you have enabled or allowed camera access on Snapchat from the Snapchat app as well as the settings of your phone. But if it still does not work, guys, make sure to reinstall the Snapchat app on your phone by uninstalling and installing. And after that, guys, power off your device and restart your device. After that, log into your Snapchat, then that should work. With that being said, guys, this is how you can allow camera access on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.